Hey, hey guys, we're just reviewing the newest thing here. It's called the Xbox One Series S that we won in a raffle. So make sure you subscribe, like, and share. So now, and see you in the next day. Okay, 2 days later, and this is what we got. The Xbox Series S Digital. So we're gonna unbox it. Okay, we're gonna unbox this box. And let's see. So this is where you open. There's a tab here. Struggles. I'm struggling to open, guys. Oh my gosh. What happens to this box? Struggles. Gosh. Oh, there's the main box itself. So let's put that inside. Put those in the garbage. Here's the main box itself. Oh, there's one side you open. There's one side that you open. The other side. Jeez, put those in the garbage. Okay. Oh, Wow. Look at this. The Xbox. Power your dreams. Let's see in there. We have the controller. Get start guide. HDMI. Power. Instruction guide. That's it. Pretty cool. Yeah, I'm gonna put this there. Okay. So now, what's everything in the box? The controller, console, power, HDMI, and that's it. So let's open everything. Here we have the controller itself. This D-pad is different, and there's an extra button in there. And it also clicks. So there's a Type-C port. That's cool. That's a cool controller. Let's put it on the side. Next up, the console itself. Okay. Ooh. The main console and the power button, the USB, the fan. Hey, don't distract me. The fan. Ooh, we have the Ethernet port, extra USBs, HDMI out, storage expansion, and a power inlet. So that's everything in the console it was. And this is the power and HDMI. So let's plug everything in. Okay, I have the power cable and this console right here. So we're gonna plug this into the console. Since I don't have space in the back of the plugs, so I'm gonna plug it right there. I don't know where to plug it. Okay, I'm going. My dad is going to buy a power bar. Okay, let's wait. Okay, not a power bar. Just using the extension cord. So now let's just plug in the HDMI. Okay, I have all them plugged in. I have the HDMI plug it in. Let me turn on the TV real quick. Okay, there. Now let's plug this in. Then let's turn this sucker up. Oh wait, I need to fill up the batteries on this. Be right back. Okay, we powered it on.
Where did you put it? Plug this in.
HDMI 2 is available.
Tell Kuya to put his account, William, so you can play the other game there.
Come on. Home dashboard.
Did you connect it to your Bluetooth yet?
Oh!
How come it's French, William? Huh? Send it with Xbox app. English.
We are English. Oh, well, let me turn up the volume.
You're in Canada. Oh.
Come on, Canada. Choose a connection. I'm skipping that.
Hey, William, where's
Okay,
my phone?
I'm connected.
Hey, don't lose this. Put it back where you found it.
Okay, it's all good. You live in Canada. Let's start an update. Oh my god! 1.2 gigabytes. I feel the air vents. Oh my god. This is too long to update. Okay, let me see if it's updates. Okay, it's verifying right now. You see it's verifying. It went to the step 2 of 3. And it says your console will restart during the update soon. Okay, let me see if the console restarts. Okay, it's updating. Sit tight while you update your Xbox. So the console restarts during the update. Okay, guys. Let me see if the console reboots. It rebooted. Let's update your controller. This ensures peak performance. Let's update it. I don't touch the controller yet. It's applying update. Guys. It's blinking. Okay, let me see if the controller updated. Okay. It's updating still. It's almost done. It's 94. It's almost there. It's almost there. There. It's applying. It applied update. Okay, I gotta wait. It's updated. You need to sign in Microsoft account. Okay, I gotta sign in. Okay, the Xbox sign in is complete. Now I'm home. So now you access all the differences like settings, device,
You gotta fix it, William? Yeah.
Okay, guys, this console is so good and helpful. And thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, like, and share. And thanks for watching. Bye.
Eat first.